Dr. David Lansborough III affixed the love of his wife, Marjorie, onto a wounded child by means of Taiwan's first skin graft. His son, Dr. David Lansborough IV, visited patients all over Changhua with the humble means of a bicycle. With our cutting-edge technology, we treat patients with the gentleness exhibited by Jesus while washing the feet of his disciples. CCH has continued spreading the Lansborough family's love for Taiwan ever since. Through being deeply rooted and built, CCH commits to serve humbly and carry out God's will to ensure that love never fails.
Changhua Christian Hospital was established in the name of Jesus Christ and is the only medical education center in the Changhua Yunlin Nantou region. In all, we have over 8,000 employees. Besides urgent, severe, and difficult care, we also look after patients' spiritual needs, providing holistic treatment. For we believe that medical care with love can yield the most lasting effects.
CCH has developed a healthcare system and constructed a complete medical care network that provides comprehensive services in the communities of central Taiwan. With over 8,000 employees and more than 3,500 beds, we offer comprehensive patient-centered healthcare. Our standardized procedures have won several forms of quality certification as well as affirmation from the government and international organizations. With our world-class quality, your health is in good hands. We are world leaders in oral tumor removal technology, our survival rate for stage 4 exceeding global standards. Our one-stop 5R process that includes remove surgery, flap reconstruction, 3D printing-assisted jawbone reconstruction, rehabilitation by ENT speech therapist to assist articulation and swallow, and mental refresh by counselors and spiritual caregiver to provide psychological support. Our hybrid operating room is equipped with multi-axis robotic arms and a sliding gantry CT scanner to keep preoperative exams, intraoperative synchronous orientation, and postoperative confirmation all in one place. This keeps the patient from having to be moved during the procedure, thus reducing risks related to infection and anesthesia while enhancing precision, in turn boosting quality and decreasing the amount of time required for surgery. The David Precision Imaging Healthcare Center's high-end medical equipment from Siemens, a 1,152-slice low-dose CT scanner, and a 3T MRI scanner, offer highly refined imagery over a wide-range scanning without missing any tiny lesions, providing you with advanced imaging diagnosis and treatment planning. Our high-resolution 3D imaging assists our neurosurgeons in their meticulous work. Most of the skull base and pituitary gland tumors can be removed by minimally invasive 3D endoscopic surgery. There is no need for a craniotomy or even to shave off hair. The wound is small and the recovery is quick. Coupled with the precise positioning aided by intraoperative navigation, it effectively reduces complications and makes the operation more secure. Our Facial Plastic Surgery Center is the only one in Taiwan where scarless endonasal autologous cartilage transplantation is used in structural rhinoplasty, preventing complications such as nasal bone displacement, rejection, and infection, ensuring both appearance and function. The center is also committed to teaching and international medical care exchanges. All major teaching hospitals send attending physicians to training. Our heart transplant team is Excelsior. We give our patients long-term VADs to extend the life of their heart. and work across the team to complete the heart transplantation guarding end-stage heart failure patients in Changhua, Nantou, Yunlin, and Jiayi areas receiving local care and restored vitality. Our reproductive medicine center is the only CAP-certified toxin-free space in Asia. With WELL Building Standard Gold certification, our environment and hardware are all toxin-free. Our IVF live birth rate is among the best in Taiwan, and we work with cytogenetic research labs in developing pre-implantation genetic diagnosis so that you can be confident of your baby's health. CCH takes the lead on emergency medical capacity ranking as the severe grade hospital. It treats all kinds of acute and difficult patients around the clock and is the last line of life-saving for Changhua, Yunlin, and Nantou. We also cooperated with the Fire Bureau of Changhua County to support 119 ambulance assistance and have set up an electrocardiogram reading system in ambulances, providing online real-time guidance of medications for myocardial infarction, seizing the golden hour and saving lives. We actively implement the government's cancer prevention policies from screening, case management to case registration and declaration, providing whole person and comprehensive service and tracking. We also hold health promotion activities to promote the concept of overall health, serving as a trustworthy health manager. Our Clinical Skill and Simulation Center provides a simulated, safe, and effective training place for all medical staff and students to help them perform well in their future clinical work and ensure patients receive safe treatment. CCH upholds the spirit of talent cultivation to form a high-quality teaching team, provides learner-centered medical training, and plans a sound retention system for PGY students. Since its implementation in 2019, it has become well-reputed and with full enrollment since then. It's a PGY's top choice. In order to improve the level of emergency medical care in the Yunlin, Changhua, and Nantou areas, CCH pioneered the CPR Training Center to promote various first aid education and training, and then transformed into Emergency Medical Services Training Center to train nurses with professional knowledge and teaching skills. We go to communities, schools, and agencies to teach first aid and take the lead in CPR training for the Changhua County Police Department. At present, about 35,000 to 40,000 people are trained in first aid education each year. CCH has mastered key technologies and established the first Da Vinci robotic mastectomy case observation center in Asia to provide a place for breast surgeons in Asia to learn, communicate, and research. It is hoped that Taiwan will be far ahead of other countries in this field. CCH is committed to the development of cytogenetics and molecular genetics technology and applies them to embryo diagnosis, actively works in the prevention and treatment of rare diseases, and is the first to cooperate with the Taiwan Rare Disease Foundation in diagnosing numerous rare diseases. We also work with other organizations on research to benefit even more people. The Department of Genomic Medicine has an international standard laboratory and research team. It launched the first genetic testing chip in Asia and also received the Taipei Medifar Innovation Award. In recent years, we have developed non-invasive prenatal testing, NIPT, multiple rapid embryo screening and pre-implantation genetic diagnosis technologies, and obtained 3 patents to provide the people with comprehensive genetic testing. Love is our core value. The Pastoral Care Department is dedicated to patients' health in body, mind, and spirit, and actively contributes to medical missions in Taiwan and abroad. We have donated a medical shuttle to Mongolia and worked with local doctors in their medical missions. We have also worked with local churches in setting up bakeries to help churches become self-sufficient in their missions. We learn the spirit of Jesus Christ's love for the world and spread the love. Working to spread the love of Jesus is a constant endeavor for us. We care about the health of folks and are highly involved in the community for disease prevention, medical treatment, nursing, and support for the sick and weak, becoming a wall-less hospital. In line with the government's long-term care plans, we have established community-based dementia care center to provide localized and professional care services for the elders. In following Dr. Landsborough's missionary spirit, we provided overseas medical services, medical staff workshop, and medical supplies all over Asia, Africa, and Latin America. We also actively respond to the government's medical diplomacy, exert medical soft power, promote the medical industry links and talent exchanges, and share our smart medical experience with global partners. With the advent of the AI era, technology is changing our working mode and environment. We promoted the first AI attending physician and AI resident physician system in Taiwan with outstanding results. We are constructing a 5G smart medical building. With the support of 5G network, it combines AI technology, big data analysis to achieve personalized precision medical medicine, accurately detects risks based on the characteristics of patients' diseases, managing patients' condition, providing real-time reminders and alerts, reducing human error, becoming a new era of smart healthcare.
For over a century, Changhua Christian Hospital has continually made advances within tradition and innovation. We develop smart healthcare, focusing on patients and strengthening the interaction between doctors and patients. With personalized medicine, precision medicine through smart medical technology, we use big data technology to link multiple resources to help people decision-making, treatment, and actualizing mobilization healthcare. This is a hospital built by God, and we are God's servants. In the future, as we develop healthcare and technology, it's our persistence on doing only the right things. We inherit the Founding Fathers' footsteps by building a professional team based in Changhua, providing the highest quality care services for the public, become the first choice hospital for people in central Taiwan.